board race. This is also best ESL game. This is one of the vocabulary activity, board race. First we discuss how to play this game in our classroom. Split the class into two teams and give each team a colored marker or chalk piece. If you have a very large class, it may be better to split the students into teams of 3 or 4. Just we observe, I split my class into 2. Draw a line down the middle of the board and write a topic at the top. Just you observe, this is my blackboard. I draw a middle line. The students must then write as many words as you require related to the topic in the form of a relay race. The students are ready. I give the topic school, town. Each team wins 1 point for each correct word. Any words that are unreadable or misspelled are not counted. You observe, the children write so many words related to our topics. After completion of this game, we count words which are correct and we decide who is the winner of this game. Thank you.